Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture on Node.js programming tutorial from W3 grads. In this video, we will get an introduction to Node.js, its history, features, and applications, along with the application areas. So, let's get started. Node.js is an open-source server-side runtime environment built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. Although, the .js is the standard filename extension for JavaScript code. The name Node.js does not refer to a particular file in this context, and is merely the name of the product. It provides an event-driven, non-blocking, asynchronous, I/O, and cross-platform runtime environment for building highly scalable server-side application using JavaScript. Node.js applications are written in JavaScript, and can be run within the Node.js runtime on Mac OS X, Microsoft Windows, and Linux. It can be used to build different types of applications such as command line application, web application, real-time chat application, REST API server, etc. However, it is mainly used to build network programs like web servers, similar to PHP, Java, or ASP.NET. Node.js also provides a rich library of various JavaScript modules, which simplifies the development of web applications using Node.js to a great extent. Now, let us look at the origin of Node.js. Node.js was written initially by Ryan Dahl in 2009, about 13 years after the introduction of the first server-side JavaScript environment, which was Netscape's Livewire ProWeb. The initial release supported only Linux and Mac OS X. Its development and maintenance was led by Dahl, and later sponsored by Joyent, which is a software and services company based in San Francisco. Dahl demonstrated the project at the inaugural European JS conference on 8 November 2009. In this, Node.js combined Google's V8 JavaScript engine, an event loop, and a low-level I/O API. In January 2010, a package manager was introduced for the Node.js environment called npm. The package manager makes it easier for programmers to publish and share source code of Node.js packages, and is designed to simplify installation, updation, and uninstallation of packages. In June 2011, Microsoft and Joyent implemented a native Windows version of Node.js. The first Node.js build supporting Windows was released in July 2011. Joyent owned, governed, and supported the Node.js development effort for many years. In 2015, the Node.js project was turned over to the Node.js Foundation, and became governed by the Foundation's Technical Steering Committee. Node.js was also embraced as a Linux Foundation collaborative project. In 2019, the Node.js Foundation and the JS Foundation merged to form the Open.js Foundation. Now that we have dived into the history and evolution of Node.js, let us proceed further to delve into the features of it. The first one is, Node.js is an open-source framework under MIT license. MIT license is a free software license originating at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It uses JavaScript to build entire server-side application. It is a lightweight framework that includes bare minimum modules. Other modules can be included as per the need of an application. It is asynchronous and event-driven. All APIs of Node.js library are asynchronous. That is, non-blocking. It essentially means, a Node.js-based server never waits for an API to return data. The server moves to the next API after calling it, and a notification mechanism of events of Node.js helps the server to get a response from the previous API call. It is a cross-platform framework that runs on Windows, Mac or Linux. It is very fast. Being built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, Node.js library is very fast in code execution. It is single-threaded, but highly scalable. Node.js uses a single-threaded model with event looping. Event mechanism helps the server to respond in a non-blocking way, and makes the server highly scalable, as opposed to traditional servers, which create limited threads to handle requests. Node.js uses a single-threaded program, and the same program can provide service to a much larger number of requests than traditional servers like Apache HTTP server. It has no data buffering. Node.js applications never buffer any data. These applications simply output the data in chunks. Node.js technology has literally become one of the important segments in the world of application development, as it has helped a number of businesses, with a productive online platform, to promote their work in the best possible manner. It currently used by some of the top organizations like NASA, Microsoft, IBM, PayPal, eBay, General Electric, GoDaddy, LinkedIn, Uber, and many more. Node.js has proved itself as a perfect technology partner for building I/O-bound applications, data streaming applications, data-intensive real-time applications, JSON APIs-based applications, and single-page applications. So, this is all about the introduction to Node.js, which has become an integral part of web development in the recent times. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you have gained enough information about Node.js. In the next part, we will cover Node.js installation. Until then, keep learning, and do subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.